Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get all active codes in Trust to Impress. Okay guys, let's get into it. Usually I get the codes from the DTI Discord server. So first of all, you need to join the DTI server on Discord. Here I have joined the server, and from here we will get a lot of informations from the Trust to Impress, such as the codes and then also the update and a lot of things here. Okay, and if you want to get the codes, you can go to the codes channel, and here are all the active codes you can redeem. Okay, I'm going to show you all the codes. Okay, you can redeem it before it disappear. Okay, and then for the expired code, I'm going to show it to you as well. These are for the expired codes. Okay, and you will have this menu as well. Just click on the active codes if you want to get the active codes, and go to expired codes to see the expired codes that we cannot redeem. And these are for the new codes on May, but those are already expired. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get codes and Trust to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.